In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Appy bot on Discord 2025. So this should be a quick and easy process. The first thing, you need to click this link for the Appy bot to integrate it. Now select a server. After you have clicked on the link, you must now choose a server to invite the Appy link. After that, choose bot permission. Then click on authorize, which is going to be at the bottom right of the bot. Then after you have clicked authorized, now you are all good to go. Let's go now to the dashboard. Now logging in, just click on login at the right top corner. Log in with your Discord account, choose your server, and then just go ahead. You can see here your logs and everything else. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.